Welcome back, buddies. In this video we are going to see whether the given number is perfect number or not. First we have to know about the concept of perfect number. We will try to understand that. Let's consider the example of 6. If we write the factors of 6, we will get 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors. Factors means the numbers which divides the given number. Here these numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 6 will divide the 6 and we will get the remainder. In Python it will give only remainder, right? By dividing with these numbers we will get remainder equal to 0, right? If we see these numbers such as 1, 2, 3, we will exclude this number and we will sum these numbers such as 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. That means here the sum of these factors will be equal to this number, the given number. That means 6 equal to 6, right? So these numbers are said to be perfect numbers. If we see 10, the factors of 10 will be 1, 2, 5, 10. After excluding this number 10, if the sum 1 plus 2 plus 5, this is equal to 8, right? So 10 is not equal to 8. So 10 is not a perfect number. If we see another example, that is 28. The factors of 28 will be 1, 2, then 4, then 7, then 14, then 28. After excluding 28, the sum of these numbers 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14, it will give 21 plus 7, which is equal to 28. So 28 equal to 28, right? So 28 is a perfect number. This is the concept of perfect numbers. Coming to the point of coding, here we given that n equal to int input enter number to check. So this line will be shown to the user and user enter the number. We given here input, so it will be treated as a string. From string we have to convert it into integer, right? That's why here we mentioned int. So if you see here, here we have to store this sum, right? We have to sum the factors and we have to store this number 6 for comparing. We have to compare this number with the sum of the numbers. So we have to store this number in some variable. That's why I taken here sum equal to 0. Initially sum will be 0. Here if we consider the example of 6, first we have to know the factors. 6, the numbers which will divide the 6, that numbers are called as factors, right? So from 1 to that number, that means 6, we have to check which numbers will divide the 6. So I given here for I in range 1 comma n. When we write 1 comma 6, here in Python the 6 will be excluded and the loop will done up to only 1 comma 5 only. Here we have to check by from 1 to 5 we have to check, right? So first we will check 1 with 1 and then we will check with 2, 3, 4 up to 5 it will be done. So one by one we have to check. That's why here I mentioned for loop. We will use while loop also. Here I mentioned for loop. If the number divides the given number, then it will be treated as factor, right? So we have to write if condition. That is, here we have to give indentation, that is 1 tab space or 4 spaces, and we have to write if condition. If n divided by I, that it will divides completely, then we will get remainder equal to 0. Then here we given if condition. We have to get sum, right? So we will write as sum equal to sum plus I. Then by giving this condition, we will store all the factors in the sum, and we will mention here if condition because we have to compare, right? With the given number, the sum of the numbers will be compared. So we have to write one comparison condition, that is if n equal to sum, then print it is a perfect number. Else print it is not a perfect number. Perfect number. For understanding purpose, if we consider n equal to 6, that is n equal to 6, if the user, let's consider that user entered n equal to 6. For this, the loop will done up to 1 to 6. The loop will done up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. If we see the for condition, that is for loop, for I in range 1, n, for first the number I will be 1. Then it goes to if condition. If n divided by I equal to 0, that is 6 will be divided with 1 and we will get remainder equal to 0. Then sum will get sum plus I, that is here I equal to 1, right? Here sum equal to 0. Then sum equal to sum plus I, that is 0 plus 1. We will get sum equal to 1. First sum is 1 is stored in sum. Next I will be incremented and I goes to 2. That is next it goes to if condition and it will check 6 divided by 2, yes, and we will get remainder equal to 0. Then it goes to sum condition, that is sum equal to sum plus I, that is first here we got sum equal to 1, right? Then 1 plus here sum will be 1 and here I will be 2, right? Then sum equal to 1 plus 2, 3. Here 3 is assigned to sum. Now the sum equal to 3, and then after coming from this condition, it goes to for loop and I will be incremented. Now I will be 3. Before it I will be 2, right? Now I will be 3. I equal to 3. If we see n divided by next I condition, if condition, n divided by I, that is 6 divided by 3. Yes, the condition is true, so it goes to sum, this condition sum equal to sum plus I. Now here the sum equal to 3, right? So sum equal to sum plus I, that is 3 plus 3. Now the I 3 and 6. So sum is the 6 is assigned to sum. This sum stores the value of 6 and next it checks, it goes to 4. Now I equal to 4. But 6 will not be divided by 4 and we will not get remainder equal to 0. Then it won't goes to this condition, it comes out of the if condition. It goes to for I in range 1. Now I will be incremented and now I will be 5. Then it checks if 6 divided by 5 equal to 0. No, the condition is not true, so it won't enter into the sum loop. Then it goes to for. All the factors, all the sum of the factors will be stored in sum, right? Then it goes to this condition, if n equal to sum, that is 6 equal to sum. Here we got 6, right? Sum equal to 6. So n equal to sum, that is 6 equal to sum, 6 equal to 6. Then it prints it is a perfect number. If this condition is not satisfied, it goes to else condition and prints it is not a perfect number. That's it. This is the whole program to check whether the given number is a perfect number or not. Just practice on your system or in mobile phone. We will meet on our next video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.